Ever feel like your money is mysteriously disappearing? One minute you're cruising along, the next you're staring at your bank account in disbelief. You're not alone. Millions of us grapple with the same frustrating feeling. But what if I told you there might be a hidden force at play, subtly influencing your spending habits? Today, we're diving deep into the question, which bank is Rocket Money really working for? Rocket Money, the app that promises to slash your subscriptions, find hidden fees, and even negotiate lower bills. It sounds like a financial superhero, right? But is it truly fighting for your best interests? Or is there a deeper game at play? Let's break down how Rocket Money makes its money. While they offer a free version, the premium subscription is where the real action is. And here's the key, Rocket Money primarily generates revenue through partnerships with banks and financial institutions. Now, this doesn't automatically mean they're working against you. But it's crucial to understand the implications. These partnerships can influence which deals and offers Rocket Money prioritizes. For example, if a bank is a major partner, you might see more deals and discounts from that specific bank heavily featured within the app. This raises some important questions. Is Rocket Money truly impartial in its recommendations? Are they always presenting you with the best deals, or are they subtly nudging you towards their partners? It's a complex issue with no easy answers. Imagine this, you're looking for the best credit card deal. Rocket Money presents you with several options, but the card from their biggest partner is prominently displayed, even if it's not objectively the best fit for your needs. This subtle influence can have a significant impact on your financial decisions. Offer a balanced perspective. To be fair, Rocket Money provides valuable services. It can help you identify and cancel unused subscriptions, negotiate lower bills, and even find hidden fees. These features can undoubtedly save you money. However, it's essential to be aware of the potential biases and make informed decisions. So, what can you do? Be a discerning user, don't blindly accept all of Rocket Money's recommendations. Always do your own research and compare offers from various providers. Utilize free alternatives, explore free tools and resources available online to compare prices and find the best deals. Prioritize your financial goals, clearly define your financial priorities and make decisions that align with them, not just the ones that benefit Rocket Money's partners. Rocket Money can be a helpful tool, but it's not a magic bullet. By understanding how it operates and making informed choices, you can take control of your finances and ensure you're getting the best deals possible. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.